Hello, everyone, and welcome back to MindCast English, where learning English feels easy and fun. I'm Zara, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Arlo. Hello, Zara. Hello, everyone listening from around the world. How are you all doing? I hope you're having a good day. Zara, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you, Arlo. I feel excited, motivated, and ready for another episode. How about you? Are you feeling good?
Yes, I'm feeling really good. I had a nice morning, I drank my tea, listened to some music, and now I'm ready to talk with our friends and help them learn English.
That sounds nice. I love peaceful mornings. And to all our listeners, thank you for joining us again. Before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, please subscribe to MindCast English if you haven't already. Just click the subscribe button. It helps us a lot.
And don't forget to like this episode and share it with your friends. Share it on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want. Sharing really helps our channel grow.
Yes, please share. And we also love reading your comments. At the end of the episode, we'll ask you a fun question, so stay with us until the end.
All right, Arlo. Today we are talking about something very useful. Everyday English phrases that make your speaking sound natural and confident.
Yes, these phrases are simple but powerful. Native speakers use them all the time. When you use these phrases, your English becomes smoother and more natural.
Exactly. So let's start with one of my favorite phrases. Sounds good.
Oh, yes. That one is super common. You can use it when you agree with someone. Like, let's meet at 2. Sounds good.
I use that phrase every day. It feels friendly and relaxed.
Another very useful phrase is no worries.
Yes, it means it's okay or don't worry. If someone says, sorry I'm late, you can say, no worries.
And it sounds so natural, right? Very friendly.
Extremely friendly. Here's another phrase. By the way.
Oh, yes. You use it when you want to change the topic or add some new information.
For example, by the way, how was your weekend?
Speaking of weekend, by the way, Zara, how was your weekend?
My weekend was good. I cleaned my room, watched a movie, and rested a lot. How about you, Arlo?
I went for a long walk. It was relaxing. Oh, that reminds me. Another phrase. That reminds me. It's used when something makes you remember something else.
Yes. That reminds me I need to call my friend later.
Exactly. Very natural.
Another daily phrase I love is, let me think.
Yes, native speakers say it all the time when they need a moment. Let me think.
It's a great phrase because it gives you time to plan your next sentence.
And speaking of time, here's a phrase. Take your time. It means don't hurry.
Yes. If someone is choosing something slowly, you can say, take your time.
Another phrase people forget is I get it or got it.
Yes. Both mean I understand. For example, can you send the file?
Got it.
Very short, very natural, and easy for beginners.
Another great phrase is let's see, like when you're checking something.
Yes. For example, let's see, what should we cook today?
Here's another one. It depends.
One of the most common phrases in English. It means the answer changes based on the situation.
Like, do you wake up early every day? It depends. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
Another natural phrase is not really. It's a soft, polite way to say no.
For example, do you like spicy food? Not really.
Native speakers use it a lot. Another super useful one is hold on. That means wait a moment.
Yes, we say it on the phone too. Hold on a second.
Speaking of phones, here's another daily phrase. I'll call you back.
Yes, it means I will call you again later.
Very natural. Another phrase is I'm not sure.
Or the softer version, I'm not sure yet.
Yes, it means you don't know, but you're thinking about it.
And here's another one. That makes sense.
I love that phrase. You say it when you understand someone's explanation.
For example, take an umbrella, it might rain. Oh, that makes sense.
Another nice phrase is, I can't wait. It means you're excited.
Like, I can't wait for the weekend.
Yes. Or, I can't wait to eat dinner. I say that a lot.
Me too. Speaking of food, Zara, what's your favorite meal?
Let me think. I think I love pasta. What about you?
I like fried rice. It's my comfort food.
Comfort food, another nice phrase. It means food that makes you feel happy and relaxed.
Yes, everybody has comfort food.
Another everyday phrase our listeners should know is, I'm used to it.
Yes, that means something was difficult before, but now it feels normal.
For example, is waking up early hard? Not anymore. I'm used to it.
Very natural. Here's another one. I'm on it.
That means you are doing something right away.
Yes, like, can you clean the table? I'm on it.
Another daily phrase is, I'll take care of it.
Very useful for work or school.
Here's another phrase, I'm almost done.
Yes, you say it when you are close to finishing something.
Arlo, do you think learners should practice speaking every day?
Definitely. Even 10 minutes a day helps. And here's a phrase they can use. Little by little.
Oh, yes. It means slowly but surely. Learning English is little by little.
Exactly. And consistency is important. Here's another phrase. Stick with it.
Yes, it means keep going, don't stop.
Another helpful phrase is don't worry about it.
Very friendly. If someone makes a mistake, you can say, don't worry about it.
Speaking of mistakes, tell them the next phrase.
Yes, it happens. This means mistakes are normal.
I love that phrase. It happens makes people feel safe.
Another everyday phrase is good to know.
Yes, when someone tells you something helpful, you can say, good to know.
Another one is, I'll think about it.
Very useful. You can use it when you're not ready to decide.
For example, do you want to go out tonight?
I'll think about it.
Here's another phrase. That's interesting.
Yes, very polite and common. And this one, I guess so.
It means you agree, but not strongly.
Yes. Do you like cold weather? I guess so. Another daily phrase is, I'm just kidding.
Or just joking. Very common.
Another natural phrase is, what do you mean?
Yes, when you need more explanation.
And here's one more. Let me check.
Very useful when you need to look something up.
Arlo, I think our listeners are learning a lot today.
Yes, and we're not done yet.
Great. Here's another phrase. Same here. It means me too.
For example, I'm tired today.
Same here. Another phrase is, I'll be right back.
Yes, we say it all the time.
Another one is, I appreciate it. It means thank you in a warm way.
And another one, that's the plan.
Yes, it means that is what we will do.
Another daily phrase is, it's kind of like...
Yes, you use it to explain something.
For example, English is kind of like a puzzle.
That's true. Here's another. Are you sure?
Yes, very common.
Another phrase is, let's do it.
Yes, it shows excitement.
And one more, I'll try my best.
Good one. It shows effort.
Zara, we've shared so many phrases today.
Yes, and I hope our listeners try using them every single day.
Before we end, we want to thank all of you for listening to MindCast English.
Yes, thank you so much. We love our community and we love helping you improve your English.
Please subscribe if you haven't already.
And give this episode a like.
And don't forget to share it with a friend who wants to learn English.
Finally, here is our question for you. What is your favorite everyday English phrase?
Comment below and tell us. We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you again for spending your time with us.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
Little by little, you are improving.
See you next time on MindCast English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.